Select the Update Item Prices in TurboCloud's RIP. TurboPricer is also known as Trade Services Supplier xChange. TurboPricer is a subscription service that electronically links the items in your database to your actual supply house pricing, allowing you to get instant pricing updates from your supply houses, ensuring that you have current material pricing before you submit a bid to your customer. Go to the Trade Service website to see a list of participating suppliers. Select Update Vendor Pricing with TurboPricer from the menu. Click the Yes button in the TurboPricer Vendor Update screen. The TurboPricer Vendor Update is in progress. The Vendor Price Update Analysis screen displays the items in your active projects. The Analysis screen displays the new price, the current price, the difference between the prices, and the percent that the price has changed. You can sort the Vendor Price Update Analysis screen by the percent column. This will allow you to quickly analyze how your vendor has changed your material pricing. Click the percent column header of the Vendor Price Update Analysis screen to sort by price decrease. Click the percent column header of the Vendor Price Update Analysis screen to sort by the highest price increase. Sorting the Vendor Price Update Analysis screen by the percent column allows you to quickly analyze your pricing. If an item has a new price of $0, it probably means that the item has been discontinued. You can easily replace the $0 priced item with a different item in all assemblies. You can quickly analyze how much your vendor has increased your pricing. If it seems excessive, call them up and see if you can get a reduced price. Click the Update Prices button in the Vendor Price Update Analysis. Click the Yes button in the Update Price screen. The TurboPricer Vendor Update is in progress. Click the OK button in the TurboPricer Vendor Update screen. Read the contents of the Add Alternate Items screen below. Click the Yes button in the Add Alternate Items screen. We recommend that you have TurboCloud's admin team add your items. To have TurboCloud's admin team add your items, click the Yes button in the TurboCloud Admin Help screen. They will include all of the data fields that are in the item editor, such as pictures, catalogs, specifications, package quantity, etc. Click the No button in TurboCloud's Admin Help screen. Click the Vendor dropdown in the Item Import spreadsheet. Select the vendor that provided the item import file. Click the Start Import button. This will add the items in the item import spreadsheet to your local database. Click the Yes button. Click the OK button. Expand the folder by clicking the plus symbol. Double-click on the divider to auto-expand the item tree. Double-click the 1/2 conduit hanger with bold item. Click the Pricing Details tab in the item editor. Notice that the vendor pricing has automatically been added to the item with the lowest vendor price source. After you run a TurboPricer update, an exception report is generated. The exception report displays additional alternate items that your vendor carries for most of the items that are included in your active projects. We have revised the exception report so that you can use it to quickly add the alternate items to your database.